In this video today, I'll show you how to make money online by simply reading scripts, which is one of the simplest way to do so. You may be wondering why you should watch this video right now. This method not only new but completely free, and it's available anywhere in the world. I'm about to show you how to accomplish it. In this video, I'll show you how to make $200 to over $2,000 by simply reading script online. You can start earning money right away because I'll show you how to do this step by step. Also, I have a special bonus at the end of the video, so make sure you keep watch till the end of the video so you do not miss an important part. I'll give you a free tool that will place everything on total autopilot so you can earn money right away. Before we go further into this video, welcome to this channel where I'll teach you most up-to-date making money online ideas, tips and tricks. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, press the notification button so you get notified every time I upload a new video. And lastly, don't forget to leave a comment below. Hello guys, I hope you're having a fantastic day. I want you to stop what you're doing and pay real attention to this what I'm about to show you. You can start making money right away after watching this video. I want you to go over to voices.com. As you can see, this website is used by many trusted brands all over the world like Shopify, Microsoft, the History Channel, Discovery and many others. You can make a lot of money from this website just by reading script online, and I'm about to show you exactly how to do this step by step. So make sure you keep watching till the end of the video so you do not miss an important part. As you can see, you can literally make $100 to over $300 just by reading 0 to 2 minutes, and it's only 300 words or less. And also you can make $250 to almost $500 just by reading 2 minutes to 5 minutes, and it's about 300 words to 750 words. It's not really a lot when it comes to reading, and you can make all the way to $1,000 to even more just by reading over 45 minutes, and it's only 6,000 words. If you want to make a lots of money on this website, I highly recommend you to read over 45 minutes a day if you want to make over $1,000. You don't have to do a lot of things to make money on this website. All you have to do is read the script and make money. And you're going to ask me how you're going to record your voice. Well, you do not need a professional microphone to make money from this website. You can literally start recording your voice just with your smartphone microphone or earbuds microphone, whatever device you have that allows you to record your voice. And it's very simple, and it's a free method, and it's available worldwide, so you don't have to worry about that. You can literally make money anywhere: Africa, South America, Asia, Australia, anywhere around the world. And I'm about to show you exactly how to do this. I want you to look at this. As you can see, this website has a tons of options to choose from. You can see animation, audiobooks, business, documentaries, educational, internet videos, movie trailers, podcasting, radio, and many more. And I'm about to suggest you which one is going to make you the most money. So as you can see, video games and educational has most jobs on this website, so you can stick to this especially when you're starting out on this website. And it's very simple. All you have to do is record your voice and you're going to make money. What they're going to do is they're going to provide you with some script or template, and you can read that. You're going to get hired pretty easily because it has lots of jobs on this website. As you can see, if I click on educational over here, you'll see tons of people are reading for educational projects, and it's very simple. All you have to do is read the script they're gonna provide you, and you can literally record it on your smartphone. You can do that on your Android, iPhone, even on your tablet. I'm going to play an example over here.
Long before Pentecostalism's Aimee Semple McPherson blazed.
As you can see, they're only recording their voice. You don't have to actually video yourself. All you have to do is record your voice. That's all you need for this project. And what you want to do is you want to simply sign up for this website, and it's very simple, and I'm about to show you. What you want to do is you want to click on sign up over here. As you can see, it says hire talent for your projects and find work as a talent. So it's obvious. What you want to do is find work as talent. So I want you to type your full name over here and also type your email over here. Once you do that, what you're going to do is you want to create a password for this website. Once you do that, you want to agree to the terms and privacy and click on that. When you do that, you want to click on continue, or you can do that simple way. You want to continue with your Google account or your Apple account. How simple is that? As you can see, it has lots of options to make. It doesn't matter what language you're speaking, you can still sign up for this website and get hired by people for that project, and you can simply make lots of money from this website. You'll see Spanish to English, English to Spanish, and other language as well. It doesn't matter what country you're from, they will accept you. And it's very simple. It's very simple. All you have to do is get hired for a project. Once you get hired, you can simply record your voice and start making money online on this website. And I'm about to show you an example. As you can see, there's lots of blogs out there, so you can learn how to do this. So I'm going to click on this one and show you what it's like. You can simply get free tricks and tips from this website to improve your voice and make lots of money. There will be tons of tutorials out there, and it's absolutely for free. I highly encourage you to sign up for this website so you can earn lots of money. You don't have to worry if you're a beginner. You can make your first money online on this website. All you have to do is record your voice and learn how to do it properly, and you will earn lots of money. If you like similar content like this, take a look at my other videos, and if you find it helpful, smash that like button, make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell. If you have any further questions, comment down below. I hope to see you in the next video. Until then, stay safe.